Killtest's PCPP-1 Certified Professional in Python Programming 1 PCPP-32-101 exam materials are the latest and greatest with 45 questions and answers to help you study. With Killtest's help, you can pass the Python Institute PCPP-32-101 exam successfully. We will share the free PCPP-32-101 exam demo questions online. You can read and find the best PCPP-32-101 exam materials at Killtest. 1. What will happen if the mam window is too small to fit all its widgets? A. Some widgets may be invisible. B. The window will be expanded. C. An exception will be raised. D. The widgets will be scaled down to fit the window size. Answer. A. 2. What is true about type in the object-oriented programming sense? A. It is the bottommost type that any object can inherit from. B. It is a built-in method that allows enumeration of composite objects. C. It is the topmost type that any class can inherit from. D. It is an object used to instantiate a class. Answer. C. 3. Which one of the following methods allows you to debug an XML tree in the xml.etree ElementTree module? A. Debug. B. Dump. C. Log. D. Parse. Answer. B. 4. What does the term deserialization mean? Select the best answer. A. It is a process of creating Python objects based on sequences of bytes. B. It is a process of assigning unique identifiers to every newly created Python object. C. It is another name for the data transmission process. D. It is a process of converting the structure of an object into a stream of bytes. Answer. A. 5. In the JSON processing context, the term serialization A names a process in which Python data is turned into a JSON string. B. Names a process in which a JSON string is turned into Python data. C. Refers to nothing, because there is no such thing as JSON serialization. D. Names a process in which a JSON string is remodeled and transformed into a new JSON string. Answer. A. 6. What is true about the invocation of the eget method? A. It can be used to read widget attributes. B. It has the same effect as the config method. C. It can be used to set new values to widget attributes. D. It can be replaced with a dictionary like access manner. Answer. A. 7. Select the true statements about the SQLite3 module. Select two answers. A. The fetchAlt method returns none when no rows are available. B. The execute method allows you to perform several queries at once. C. The execute method is provided by the cursor class. D. The fetchOwn method returns none when no rows are available. Answer. C, D. 8. Which of the following constants will be used if you do riot define the quoting argument in the writer method provided by the CSV module? A. CSV quote underscore minimal. B. CSV quote underscore none. CSV quote underscore all. D. CSV quote underscore non-numeric. Answer. A. 9. What is true about the unbind underscore all method? Select two answers. A. It can be invoked from any widget. B. It can be invoked from the main window widget only. C. It is parameterless. D. It causes all the widgets to disappear. Answer: A, C. 10. Which function or operator should you use to obtain the answer true or false to the question? Do two variables refer to the same object? A. The equals operator. B. The isInstancio function. C. The id function. D. The is operator. Answer: D.